Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Anjali, good morning. Yella, good morning. Yella, why you are not coming every day? Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Can we start? Can we start now? Yeah, just I think now 6:14. Right now 6:14, 6:20 I will start. 6:20. 6:20. Let's come all the people. 6:20 I will start. Right. Thank you. Thank you. 6:20 I will start. Yeah, good morning. Can we start? Can we start? Check once. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Sorry for delay. Laptop don't have charging, so that is the reason I took some time. Yeah, I think we can start now. Everything is perfect. Yeah, good morning. Good morning. Right. So I'm starting. I'm starting. So next problem I'm writing. Can you say the date? Today's date? 11. 11/4/26. Yeah, I think yesterday we done some very good problems. But now today let's see some more good problems. Consider the following C program. Int f, int star p, int n. If n less than or equal to 1, return 0. Else return max of f of p plus 1 n minus 1, comma p of 0 minus p of 1, semicolon. Int mean inside int a is equal to 355 to 66 48. Printf percentage d f of a comma 5. End of this. So if you want, you can write return 0 because I written int. Yeah, go ahead. This is the problem. Everyone try. It is one of the nice problem. Someone is saying 11. 11 is the date. Okay, fine. Thanks everyone. Thank you. Go ahead. Everyone try. Consider the following C program. Int f of int star p int 10. Make sure no guess. Make sure no guess. Make sure no guess. I tried yesterday. I tried many times, Bhaiya. Somehow it is missing. I don't know. Uh, Maybe Telegram. Telegram is angry on you. I don't know. I tried a lot. Yesterday also I tried. Previously also I tried. But I don't know what is the reason it is not working. I added also. But it's not going. Previously also I tried. Now also, yesterday also I tried it 2 or 3 times. 2 or 3 times I tried. Again, I will try today. Yeah, what is the answer for this problem? What is the answer for this problem? Let me know. Yeah, let me give them answer for this problem. Let me give. Answer for this problem. Let me give this. So there is no static variable, there is no global variable, so no memory creation. So let's run the program from main. So int a, so one array will be taken, right? One array is created. I will take it. So I will write here itself, because I have to take the stack also, because it is a recursive program. See, f calling f, it is a recursive program, so stack also required. So I will manage the stack on the right hand side. I will manage the stack here, right? So I will write the array here. So let me write array. One array I took. Name is A. Don't guess anything. 3 here, 55 here, 2 here, 66 here, 48 here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Addresses, if you see 1000 here, and everyone remember, it is an integer array. Everyone is 2 bytes. It is an integer array. How can you say array in the declaration? In the declaration, before assignment, brackets are there. So it is a array. In the declaration, be careful everyone. In the declaration, before assignment operator, there is a arrow, right? There is a brackets. So it is a array. This array okay. What is the size of everyone? Integer data you are storing. 2 bytes. So I think first person is 1000, 1001. Second one 1002, 1003. Next one 1004, 1005. Next one 1006, 1007. Next one 1008, 1009. So I think if you observe clearly, first person, first address 1000, last person, last address 1008, 1009. So first person, first address is 1000, last person, last address is 1009. So if you want to know from here to here how much, right? There is a one formula. Last one minus first one plus 1 you do, which will goes to total. What is the answer? 1009 minus 1000 means 1009. So I think 9 plus 1, 10. Total size is 10. Last element, see, every element having 2 bytes. Because of integer, every element having 2 bytes of space. Last one, 1008, 1009. The last person, last address. This is first person, first address. If you want to know total size, how much? Continuously, if you know starting one, ending one, you can find out the total space like this. So last person, last address 1009. First person, first address is 1000 plus 1, which is nothing but 10. 1009 minus 1000, which is going to be 9 plus 1, 10. Total 10 bytes of memory allocated. Total 10 bytes of memory allocated. Total 10 bytes of memory allocated. Please try to understand. Total, right? Total 10 bytes of memory allocated. Please be careful. Total 10 bytes of memory allocated. I think everything is fine. Array name is A. Array name is A. Please try to understand this also. Array name is A. Everyone is 2 bytes. Total space, what we got is total space. Because of you asked at the time of declaration, you asked the operating system to my array A, please give space. That is the reason I think you asked 5 elements also. Every element is 2 bytes, 5 twos, 10 bytes of memory allocated. In declaration, right? Declaration time, right? Declaration purpose is creating memory. You ask the operating system, I want to my array for 5 elements. Every element is integer. So 10 bytes of memory will be created. 10 bytes of memory will be created. Okay, that is okay. So first line is completed. Second line, see this one, second line. Printf percentage d f of a comma 5. Now listen everyone. Everyone know. Array name means first person address. Array name means in the array, whoever is there in the first place, that person address. So you may say that, sir, one element having 2 bytes. Which address I have to give? First person, first address, which is called base address. First person, first address, which is called base address. So array name means base address. 1000 will go here. 1000 will go here. So I think 5 is a integer, right? So integer it will go. 5 as it is, it will go. Remember? So array going means array not going. First person address is going. Array going means array not going. First person address is going. Be careful. Be careful. Some people are thinking that array itself going. No. First person address is going. So next one is integer you are passing, no problem. Remember, first person address going. Address, na? Address. Not only that, in that address, who is there? One integer there. First person address is going. Address. Inside that address, who is there? One integer. That means this is the integer pointer. But 5 is a data. 5 is a data, integer data. Remember, first person is not array. First person address going, integer address going, received by pointer variable, integer pointer variable, received by integer pointer variable. Remember, array is not going. First person address is going. In that address, there is one integer. So integer pointer is going. Second one is integer data going. Second one is integer data going. Remember, integer pointer received by integer pointer. Integer data received by integer data. This is the rule. This is the rule. Prime Minister, if at all at any country, suppose isn't that Indian Prime Minister went to some country, at the receiving side, right? At the receiving side, that country Prime Minister should come, or equivalent person should come. Prime Minister will be received by Prime Minister. It is a protocol. Suppose Prime Minister is not came to the airport, Indian Prime Minister went to the US. Indian Prime Minister went to the US. At the US airport, definitely equivalent person should be there. For our Prime Minister, who is the equivalent person in that country, that person should come. If at all it don't come, it is a violation of the rules. It is a violation of the protocol. Then no person will go. If you don't want to receive me properly, then why you invited me? Okay, you don't want to receive me. That's absolutely fine. It is not necessary everyone will be happy with everyone. Okay, you don't want. Then why you invited me? It is not inviting the Prime Minister. You invited the Indian. So it is almost like blaming all Indians. So if Prime Minister will go to US, at the US airport, as per the protocol, US Prime Minister should come. Or maybe names may be different. Right? Prime Minister, sometimes it is called President. Different countries, different ways they will call. Right? But the important thing, remember, equivalent person should come. Indian Prime Minister going, received by US Prime Minister, or equivalent person. And one more thing, some people are thinking it is a protocol. It is a protocol, whether US Prime Minister like Indian Prime Minister or not, Indian Prime Minister like US Prime Minister. If you don't like, you don't give the right invitation at all. You don't give the approval to my visit. You given and you didn't receive. Protocol violation. Every country will keep in the blacklist. This country will invite the people, and afterwards it will disrespect. So if that happened, no Prime Minister will go to US. Just I'm taking India, US. Similar thing will happen between all the countries also. It is a protocol. Be careful, protocol. So address is going, received by pointer. Data is going, received by data. I think everything is fine. Remember, array is not going. These many people I cannot send. These many people sending, there is no meaning. But I can do equivalent thing. Some people are asking, sir, you are not sending the total array. You are sending only first person address. You are not sending all. But in the F function, I want all. How, sir? Can anyone help me? If you send the array first person address, can I get the next person? Can anyone help me? Can anyone help me? I want answer from you. So array, actually I have to pass array. Actually, I have to pass array. Instead of passing array, I passed the first person address. I passed the first person address. Some people are asking, if you pass the first person address, how can I get the next person? How can I get the next person? I want to access all the people. Sir, because of you are sending first person address, using first person address, I can access the first person. How can I access other people? Can anyone help me? In arrays, what is the meaning of +1? In the arrays, what is the meaning of +1? Or in the pointer, what is the meaning of +1? In the pointer, what is the meaning of +1? Please help me. +1 means what? Next person address. +1 means next person. In the pointer, if I say +1, right, it will go to, remember, pointer means you are pointing. Wherever you are pointing, how many bytes are there? 2 bytes? See this one, first person address, 1000. So he is pointing here. Inside 2 bytes there, inside 2 bytes. So this person got 1000. This person got 1000. 1000 is the address. Means you are pointing to 1000. At the 1000, there is a 2 bytes. When I say +1, next to 2 bytes. Because of array, all are there continuous. Because of array, all are there continuous. So what I mean to say is, array passing to some other place is nothing but first person address. Some people are asking, sir, if you pass the first person address, using first person address, I can get the first person data. How can I get further? Remember, it is a array. Continuously all are there. That pointer you do +1. That pointer you do +1. So it will go to next 2 bytes, because that pointer is pointing to first 2 bytes. When you say +1, next 2 bytes. When you say +1, next 2 bytes. Like that it is going. You first of all, you passed address. That is the first thing. But you passed the address of first element. But if you want second element, do +1, something like that. Okay, fine. Now listen, everyone listen. I'm expecting answer. Someone is saying we should also pass array size. He passed also. See, he passed also. In 10, this array contain 5 people. He passed also. Somehow he passed this also. Right? Fine. I think until now, fine. Just listen. Everyone listen. I have to right? Everyone have to understand this one. Listen. Careful. So in this function, in the f function, int p, int star p, int n. Remember, because of int star p, memory created. Int n, memory also created. So address of p, some memory location. Let me 2000. This may be 3000. So first 2000 is came, I will store here. Next to n value 5 came, I will store here. Remember, if declaration means creating memory. Right now, very important question. Here itself, I will ask many questions. Please give answer. Here itself, this is the turning point of pointers. In my opinion, today's class is just started now. Please listen, everyone. It is the turning point of today's class. Please, I'm expecting answer. On the board, as of now, how many variables? Everyone respond. On the board, as of now, how many variables? Everyone give answer. On the board, as of now, how many variables? On the board, as of now, how many variables? Someone saying 3. I will kick on your face. Remember, I will kick on your face, on your face, on your nose. I will do one kick. Nose will go inside mouth. I am asking how many variable. Are Gootle, how array is a variable? Gootle, how array is a variable? I asked you how many variables. How can you say array is a variable? Now at least respond. On the board, how many variables? I want answer. How many variables? How many variables? Someone is saying array is a pointer variable. Array, bhaiya, don't give new definitions. Don't give new definitions to me. Array is array, variable is variable. Array is array, variable is variable. So if anyone is not clear, I will show to you. I will show to you what is the difference. See, int star p, it is a variable. Int a bracket, it is a array. Int star p, it is a variable. Int a, right, it is a array. Bracket is the array. Now listen, if anyone having doubt, can you see this one? Can you see this one? Printf a, doesn't everyone know? Printf a comma p. Remember, variable means inside. Variable means inside. I think a printed outside. See, a printed outside. A printed outside, but P printed inside. See this. P printed inside. Variable means inside. Array means outside. That is the first fundamental property. That is the first fundamental property. Array means outside. Variable means inside. That is the first step. See the second step. See the second step. Printf. Size of A. Size of P. See correctly. Size of A, size of P. Remember, array size means total how much memory allocated. Total how much memory allocated. 5 people, everyone 2 bytes, 10 bytes, 10 bytes. Size of P. P is a pointer variable, 8 bytes. How they both are same? Yeah. How array is a variable? People will laugh. People will laugh by seeing your face. Array coder guy. People will laugh by seeing your face. Array gootle. It's a one type of array is one type of variable. Who said? Yeah? Array means collection of elements. Array is collection of elements. Collection of same elements. Same type. Collection of same type of elements. Array is collection of same type of elements. So these are the fundamental differences. Now one more beauty. Listen, one more beauty. Everyone observe. One more beauty here. One more beauty. See this. One more beauty. What is A plus 1? What is P plus 1? I want answer from you. So see this one. Array means first person address is also address. Array means first person address. Because the P is a pointer variable, E also having address. See, array means first person address. Okay. And one more thing is variable P is a pointer variable. This is also address. Both are addresses. See, both are, it may be look like both are addresses. Both are addresses. Can you help me? What is the answer? What is the answer? In the array plus 1, skipping one element. In the array plus 1, skipping one element. It's a 1002. And one more thing, P plus 1. P is 1000. See this one, P is 1000. P is 1000. At the 1000 place, how much data is there? 2 bytes data, 2 bytes. 1000 place. P is a pointer pointing to 1000. See, P is a pointer pointing to 1000. Here. P is a pointer pointing to 1000. 1000 place, who is there? 2 byte. When I say P plus 1, right? 2 bytes will increase. It is also 1002. Both are 1002. Both are 1002. In the array plus 1 means skipping one element. In the pointer plus 1 means wherever you are pointing, please go to next. Wherever you are pointing, 2 bytes there, right? Plus 1 next to 2 bytes. Plus 1 next to 2 bytes. So like that it will happen. Please check properly. Okay, fine. Now, one important thing, very, very important thing, very important thing. Please understand everyone. Please understand everyone. Serious one. P is equal to P plus 1. A is equal to A plus 1. Everyone know P plus 1 is 1002. A plus 1 also 1002. Careful. P is equal to P plus 1 means, right, 1002 will go to inside P. A is equal to A plus 1. 1002 will goes to A. Can anyone help me? Listen, can anyone help me? Someone is saying that P plus 1 will not be 1010, right? So he is saying, why not? So see, that is the reason. That is the reason. Don't see in the air and all. That is the reason I passed also. Can anyone help me? Can you say, is it int star P? Is it integer pointer? Everyone understand. That is the reason declaration is very, very important. That is the reason declaration is very, very important, because computer cannot do fake arguments. Computer cannot do any fake argument. Can you see this one? It is the integer pointer. Integer pointer will increment by 2 bytes. In the last class also we discussed. Integer data will increment by one value. Data will increment by one value. Pointer will increment by data size. Integer pointer 2 bytes. Char pointer 1 byte. Float pointer 4 bytes. Remember, this is the one. That is the reason computer cannot see. The problem with the human is, he will see with eyes. He will talk whatever you want. But computer will follow some rules. What are the rules? Oh, so I want to increment P. P is which type? Oh, integer pointer. Integer pointer means 2 bytes will increase. Like that he will do. Now understand here. Everyone understand? P plus 1 is 1002. A plus 1 is 1002. Right? So P updating, A updating. Can anyone help me? Here P is a variable or not? P is a variable, A is a array. P is a variable, A is a array. Remember, P you are updating. So E will update. If you update, E will update. Because variable you can update, no issue. Variable you can update, no issue. P is a variable. Inside whatever you want, you can keep. So P you are updating, you can update, no issue at all. But remember, A is not a variable. A is not a variable. E is a array. On behalf of these 5 people, he is there. It is a base address of the total array. It is a base address of total array. A is equal to A plus means, right? How can you change the base address? Until now, this is the base address. How can you change the base address? You cannot change. So remember, array base address you cannot change. Array base address until now 1000. You want to make 1002. A is equal to A plus 1. Right? So when you try to do, it will give error message. Remember, to this assignment operator, it is the left hand side, it is the right hand side. You are trying to change a left hand side value. Means base address you are trying to change. It will give error message. It don't give any error message. It will give error message. Error. The error what it will say is, it is the left hand side, it is the right hand side. Left hand side you are trying to change. So what it will say is, L value cannot be changed. L value cannot be changed. L value cannot be changed. So that is the error message you will get. How can you change the base address of the array? How can you change? Some people are asking. Then how, sir? Right? That is the reason. Listen, that is the reason. You will see the clear difference now. Listen, now you will see the clear difference. What is the meaning? So you cannot do array base address. You cannot update. Some people are asking, sir, A is equal to A plus 1 not allowed. But A plus 1 allowed, of course. It will not, right? A will not update. Calculation A plus 1 will be done. You can use it. A plus 1 you can do, you can use it, no issue. But you cannot update array. Array base address you cannot update. Sir, can I do A plus 1? Of course, no issue. Sir, can I do A is equal to A plus 1? Array base address you cannot change. Some people are asking, sir, why I cannot change array base address? Remember, it's a base address is something like surname. In your family, let us assume your grandpapa having, suppose isn't that right? Your total family having some surname. That surname came from grandpapa. That surname came from grandpapa. Try to understand. That surname came from grandpapa. Let us assume there is some surname XYZ. It came from grandpapa. Assume grandpapa having papa. Grandpapa is having papa, and let us assume he is having 5 kids. Papa and 4 more kids. Totally 5 kids are there. Grandpapa having 5 kids, right? So those all kids are produced. Let us assume, let some guess, right? Grandpapa having 5 kids, those all 5 kids produces 3 more kids, assume. Totally 5 3 is 15. So totally in your family, grandpapa, right? One person having 5 kids, totally 6 people. Everyone having three kids. So 3 5 is 15. 15 plus the 6, 21 people total. Total 21 people. All 21 people contain same surname. All 21 people contain same surname, including grandpapa and papa and chacha and all, right? So totally they are 6 people. Kids are, I think 5 3 is 15. Totally, I think 15 plus 6, totally 21. 21 people are there. Let us assume, I'm just imagining. Let us assume in your family, 21 people all got same surname from the grandpapa. Remember. Now try to see, right? And those 25 people, those 21 people, whatever I mentioned, let us assume they done the higher education, right? There some people done PhD, some people done master, some people done BTech. So like that, some people may be done, means what I want to say is, let us assume they done all are done higher education. They have so many certificates. In every certificate, see this one, in every certificate, let us assume same surname XYZ there. 21 people all are having some higher education, right? So means so many certificates are there. Every certificate contain same surname. So one person having approximately 10 certificates, like that 21 people. So 10 certificates are there. In every certificate, surname is XYZ, which is came from grandpapa. Now see the scenario. One day, grandpapa called you, and grandpapa said that I got bored with the same surname from long time. So my surname I am changing now. My surname is until now XYZ. Now I will keep my surname as ABC. What you do? There are 10 certificates. Every certificate contains surname XYZ. Grandpapa one day called all the people, and all the people is informed I got irritated with the same surname from long time. So my surname from now onwards not XYZ, it is a ABC. Thank you, and he went inside his room. So what you do? 210 certificates. Every certificate contain XYZ. You have to change every certificate. That means all people should go to government offices, and you have to ask them, can you change my surname and all. One certificate changing in the government offices itself is serious issue. They will say come tomorrow, they will say come day after tomorrow, they will say come after 1 month. So 210 certificates you have to change. All 21 people, to change 10 certificates of each, they have to roam total all government offices. They all will take one bus for rent. They will go in front of every government office. They will go, right? They will keep on say come tomorrow, day after tomorrow. So I think it is a serious issue. So it cannot going to be happen suddenly, right? So I think it may take 5 years to get that, to change the 210 certificates, right? Surname, I think 5 years maybe it will take. To one bus you have to hire for the total family. So what I mean to say is this much serious issue. So everyone know array means there is a huge space. See, these all people's surname is changing. These all people's surname is changing. Please try to understand. Right? It is a serious issue. So then all the 21 members combined together in the hall. Grandpapa is there inside his room. All right, after rotating 1 month, all 21 members are combined in the hall and they are discussing. We all are getting this problem because of grandpapa. So what we will do is we will ask and we will go and we will explain grandpapa what problems we are facing. We will go and explain 21 member. If he listen, well and good, he is our grandpapa, very good papa and all. If he listen, if you don't listen, let's make it is the last day. Otherwise, this old man is creating so many trouble. 21 members, 210 times they have to change. So you please go and request grandpapa, right? You are changing the surname. We will, right? We got to know you got bored. But the consequence, grandpapa, if you observe, if you see the consequence, right, 210 certificate we have to change. We are trying from last 1 month. One also we are unable to change. Please try to understand. Please try to understand our pain. If you understand, well and good. Otherwise, we have our own plans. You are an old man also, right? Try to understand, right? I think there is no requirement of, we don't need to do big risk also. We don't do any big risk also, right? Just one slap gone. Just one slap gone. So you may say that how can you talk like this on the grandpapa? Then how grandpapa can behave like this? Then how grandpapa can behave? What I mean to say is, you cannot change base address. If you change base address, it will create a lot of complications. I hope everyone got it. Let me know. Anyone having any issue? Check. Can we go further? Hello, bro. Can we go further? Base address of the array you cannot change. If you change, you will get the error message. Base address of the array cannot be changed. Base address of the array you cannot change. Fine. This is the story. Some people the problem is, sir, example is okay. Sir, Reddy sir, you made the very good example, right? So you almost written the some story. Somehow to eliminate the grandpapa, you written some story. People remember this story, but they didn't remember what purpose I said. The main line. Base address of the array you cannot change. That is a major story. Remember the major story. Sir, somehow you planned to eliminate the grandpapa. I didn't plan. If anyone is behaving like that, 210 certificate changing in the government offices, how much painful. If at all he is a nice grandpapa, automatically you will understand. When you say, immediately will change. Okay, we'll say, sorry guys, I done unknowingly some small mistake, please rectify. I'm rectifying, no need to change. Yeah, array base address is the main story. It's a surname. You cannot change the surname. I think all the formalities are okay. Now let's move to next story. This problem, basics I said very clearly, be careful. I'm starting now. Let me solve this problem. See, without knowing these many details, some people are given answer also. The advantage with the CSE students, is they may not know those many basics, but still they will give answer. So if you know 10% itself, you are giving the correct answer. 10% if you know itself, you are giving correct answer. If you can learn 100%, you will give the answer so efficiently without having any doubt. Okay, I think everything is ready. Let's start now. Someone is saying 53. Let's check. From where it came 53, I really don't have any idea. Okay, maybe you are correct also. Let's start. Can you see this one? Everyone listen. 2 lines are there. 2 lines. This program contain 2 lines. First one, second one. If the first one true, second one I don't execute. If second, right? So be careful. So start now. Int star p and int n. So p is remember p is a pointer variable. Okay, internally contain 1000, and n is a normal variable 5. So see the first step. See the first step. N value 5. 5 less than or equal to 1. 1 fail. 1 fail. Let's go to 2. Return max of f of p plus 1 n minus 1. P of 0 minus p of 1. Right? Now say this. See everyone, max of, everyone observe, max of f of. So what you do is, see this one, max of f of this, comma this. Right? Now understand here, very important here. I will take maximum, okay. I will take maximum, okay. Let me try first this, f of a plus 1, p plus 1. Remember, p plus 1. P is already 1000. It is an integer pointer. P plus 1, 1002. So here p became 1002. Right? Here n minus 1. N value 5, 5 minus 1, 4. N became 4. Comma. Remember, see this one. Remember everyone, in this, right, at here p plus 1, there p plus 1 became 1002. N minus 1 became 4. Be careful, comma. What about p of 0? Everyone know. So in this function, you are there in this function. Be careful. You are there in this function. In this function p. In this function p 1000. What is the meaning of p of 0? Remember, shortcut is p of 0. Actually, star p plus 0. Yesterday we done. Right? P of 1 is a shortcut, but actual one is p plus 1. Actual one is p plus 1. Actual one is p plus 1. So I think p plus 0. P 1000 plus 0 is 1000. Star 1000. The value inside 1000. 3. Minus p of 1. So p is 1000. P plus 1. Because it is integer pointer 1002. Star 1002. The value inside 1002. 55. 55. So 3 comma 55. But understand one thing. Everyone listen. I want answer from all of you. Everyone listen. This is left. This is left. This is right. Careful. This is left. This is right. Can anyone help me? After left over right will be done or not? Or both will be done at a time? After left over right will be done or both will be done at a time? Make it fast. After left over right will be done or both will be done at a time? First left, then right. So remember. Don't get tension. Don't do at a time. First left. So right person waiting. He is waiting here. He don't do. He is waiting, because without left, how can I do right? There may be a chance that after this, if you go, these people may change. Be careful. After the left, if you go to right people may change. So the best idea is right as it is. Right? When you come back, you will change it. You will do the necessary work. So let's complete the function, because when you say function, he may do some small effect to this. After coming back, I will do. As it is, you write. See, whatever he written, as it is, right. If they don't change, you are lucky. If they change, you are unlucky. So the best idea is follow the rules. So maximum of these two. You have to take maximum of these two. Let's complete this first. As usual, same story. First one, n value 4. 4 is less than or equal to 1. Failed. So second statement. 1 is failed. Second statement, you will go. Same story. Maximum of f of p plus 1. I think p previously 1000. It became 1004. N minus 1. It became 3. Same way. P of 0. P of 1. Remember, here p different. See this one. See everyone. This is belongs to this block. This story belongs to this function call. For this function call, this story belongs to this entire story belongs to this. Be careful. Now again same story. Right? So whatever I am doing for this story. Right? So 1 fail. 2 same. What is the answer? F of p plus 1. P became 1006. N minus 1. N became 2. comma p of 0 minus p of 1. So like this, that is also fine. That is also fine. Now let's do same story. For this, whatever I will do for this, whatever I will do for this, let's start once again. N value 2. So first condition fail. See the second. What is the second here? F of p plus 1. P became 1006. Remember, every time memory creating. Previously 1006, now 1008. N minus 1. N value became 1. Comma p of 0 minus p of 1. Right, like this. I think this is also fine. So go here. Right, now listen. Now listen. I think it may be turning point series. Maybe turning point. Just 1 minute. Yeah, fine, perfect. Now see this. Now see this. Everyone be careful. So now if you see this one, first statement, I will use another color. So first statement, n value 1 less than or equal to 1 less than or equal to 1. 1 less than or equal to 1. Condition to return 0. This is true, returning 0. This is true, returning 0. Remember, return means from which place you came, that place you will go. That is the meaning of return journey. You came from your house to your college. When I say return journey, college to your house. So actual journey is house to college. When you say return journey, college to house. Be careful. So I think that this value, whatever you are sending, it will go here. So this, listen everyone now, this value became 0. But remember this one, see this one, this entire story going on inside this entire story. So according to this, what is the p 1006? Remember, to this function 1008, but you are there inside this. So p here is 1006. P here 1006. Be careful, right? It's a 1006, right? Star 1006 star 1006 star means 66. Now p plus 1. What is the meaning of p of 1? Star p plus 1. I think p 1006 plus 1, 1008 star 1008. It's a 48. 66 minus 48. How much? 66 minus 48. How much it is? 18. 18. So 0 comma 18. Best one is 18. So 18 will come here. So maximum is 18. Check properly. 66 48. Sorry for this. I think 16. I think 8. Right? It's going to be 5. So 18. So 18. So this value became, right? So whatever value finally 18. 18 will goes to this place. From which place you came, that place 18 will go. So remember, here also written there. Here also written. This is 18. Same way, this block having its own p value. This block having its own p value. It's a 1004. 1004 star. The value inside 1004. It became 2. Right? The value inside 1006. 66. 66. I think it is anyhow negative. 2 minus 66. Anyhow negative. Leave it. Anyhow negative, leave it. I think 18 only better. So this will goes to 18. This will go to 18. Whichever better it will take. Maximum, maximum. Right? Larger one you will take 18. In this block, if you observe, P is 1002. It is 1002. Star 1002. 55. Star 1004. 2. So 55 minus 2, 53. So maximum of 18 comma 53. 53. That is the reason someone said 53 came. So this 53 came from this place. So this 53 will go here. This 53 will go here. It is 53. Right? Now check here. P of 0. In this function, P is 1000. So, right, it's a 1000. Star 1000 is 3. Star 1002 is 55. It's anyhow 3 minus 55. Anyhow, it is going to be minus 52, negative. So maximum is going to be maximum of this, which will goes to 53. So that 53 will goes to, I think this function finally return 53. That 53 will go to from which place you came back. So it will go here. This value became 53. So printf 50, sorry, printf 53. 53 will be printed, afterwards return 0. So main program itself you are returning, it will go to operating system. Main program itself you are returning. See, here if you return from which place you came, that place you will go. Here if you return, here if you return, here if you return, right, it will go to operating system. Finally, answer you got 53. Finally, answer you got 53. It's a recursive program. Most probable, most expected questions in examination like this only. Most expected question in examination like this only. Whatever it is, right? This is the answer. My goal is not what this program is doing. My goal is I want to explain, right, difference between normal variable, normal pointer variable, array. What is the difference? I want to explain. I hope you got it. Are you okay? Let me know. Are you okay? Let me know. L value cannot be changed. My goal is this. I want to explain this much story. This problem can be done in 1 minute. I want to give clear clarity so that any problem you can handle. I want to give clear clarity. The mistake what some students will do is, see this one, while doing this problem, the mistake what students will do is, can you see this? The mistake what students will do is, while doing this problem, this is the most probable mistake. What is that mistake? So they will take, see this one, they will take this P from here, remember. So this P there inside this, for this we are doing. This also for this we are doing. So everyone should take from here, not from neighbor. Please try to understand. So this is the only mistake what you will do. It is 1004. People will take here 1004. No, right? We are right. Second line is belongs to this function call. From here you came. Both the people came from here. So he will also say P plus 1. He will also say P of 0. Be careful. This is the only mistake you can do. If you do this mistake, definitely one of the option will match. Be careful. I am there inside this function. This P value is 1002. Whether you will use here or whether you will use here, P is 1002. But hidden here P plus 1. Some people are asking, sir, here increment. So remember, P plus 1 different. P is equal to P plus 1 different. P is not updated. Here simply done P plus 1. See, simply done P plus 1. It's not updated. So this updated one will not affect here because he is not updated. P plus 1 he done. He is not done. P is equal to P plus 1. If you do P is equal to P plus 1, I could have said maybe he will update and all. Right? So be careful. And one more, it is not static variable also. It is not static variable. It is a local variable. This function having its own. But anyhow, you have to observe clearly P updating or not. Small tricks he will play. He just many times he will make the students fool. Because they don't know the difference between P plus 1, P is equal to P plus 1. Here also increment. Here updation happened. Here no updation. Students don't know the difference between them. What if it is P plus is equal to 1? You can do yourself. Right? You can do yourself. Try that problem. You can do yourself. Otherwise, this problem only will take. Right? Fine. Thanks for asking, coder. I have to go to next problem. You try. If you face any problem, let me know. Let's move to next. Fine. Let's move to next. Can I move next? So previous problem number is, I think in the yesterday's class, last problem. What is the number? 15. It is a 16. Example 16. Try. So let's go to 17. Example 17. Can I write here? Can I write here? I am writing the problem here. I am writing the problem here. It's a very simple problem. It's example 17. Yeah, example 17. Very small problem. Int main, be careful. Int main, int I, int main, int I, char a is equal to null character if printf percentage s a. So very good problem. That's the reason I try to give this. Printf string empty else printf string not empty. End of this. Int I char is equal to this and printf this string is empty else string is not empty. Can you go ahead? What exactly this problem is? Can you try? Don't worry anything about answer. Don't think anything about answer. Can you try this? Everyone try. Everyone try. Yeah, try everyone. What you are thinking? You just write your opinion. Please write your opinion. I will explain. Anyhow, I will explain. Can you write your opinion? Please try your opinion. Don't do any small guess. Every dot you should know. It is not exam. It is not exam to do whatever way you want. It is the learning. Attending classes means learning. Someone is saying string not empty. Someone is saying that string not empty. And one more thing is it's I think double quote. It's a double quote. String, na? It is a string, right? Double quote. Yeah, let's try this. Let's try. So char this printf string is empty, else string is not empty. It is a double quote. So inside memory, how it will store? Inside memory, will it store like this? Inside memory, will it store like this? Array name is A. Right? Array name is A. Please listen carefully. Array name is A. Right? Array name is A. Right? So inside, if you observe, first character is a null character. Second one also null character by default. See, when you say string, by default one null character will be added. It is a 0, it is a 1. If it is 1000, because it is a character array 1001. Will you agree till now? Yes, no. Let me know. String means by default one null character. String means, see, already you written null character, but when you say string, by seeing double quotes, one more null character will be added. Will you agree? Please let me know. Will you agree? Yes, no. Not agree. Why null character? So see, that is the problem. That is a problem with the human eyes. That is the problem with the human eyes. Human eyes problem is this. Whatever string you have, to that null character will be added. String itself is null character. You don't see. You don't see what is there. Is it string? By default, one null character will be added. If string is ABC followed by null character. If string itself is null character, one more null character, you don't see. The problem with the human eyes is, you will think that already null character is there. Why null character one more? You don't check what is there. You don't check what is there. See, coder guy, if it is already null character, you don't check what is there inside. Inside string inside string, what is there? You don't see R. Whatever you have, to that null character will be added. Don't assume whatever you want. Are you getting? Don't assume whatever you want. Whatever string you given, to that null character added. Who asked you to check what is that? Who asked you to check what is that? Are you getting? Hello? Are you getting? One is string, another one is by default. By default, right, something will be attached. Don't see what is the string, because he cannot compare. Sir, please run this code on compiler. You can run. You can run. So I think, let me show to you. Maybe I will try. So I'm going to chat GPT. Let me run it. Wait. Chat GPT, I want to run one C program where that C program contain one char A array character A array is equal to string internally contain only null character. Afterwards, if printf percentages, right? If printf percentages comma A, right? Then next one, printf string is empty, otherwise print string is not empty. So I want to C program and I want to run the C programming. Can you do this? So I think it's creating some trouble. Just wait. Yeah, let's check. If anything is there, I will adjust. What nonsense it will give, let me check. Because my computer there somewhere, it's a no writing pad is there. Just give me 1 minute then. Just give me 1 minute. Because computer there somewhere. I don't know where to type also, but I am typing. Yeah, run this C program. Run this. Yeah, is it fine now? Can we start? Is it visible now? Hello, is it visible? Screen visible or not? It's visible, right? So maybe I will check once. See this. So int main, see the program correct or not? Int main carry a is equal to some string, print a percentage sa, print string empty, else string not empty, return 0. Is it okay? This program is okay? Or any change? Right? Fine? Yeah, now I think it's perfect. Now come to our problem. Come to our problem. Come to our problem. 7 done, this is the 8. Now see, come to our problem. Right? See, you don't see the string. You don't see the string because the reason is very simple. You don't see the string, right? You don't see the string. What is there inside string? Because the reason is inside my string, I want to store some null character. I written something here. I written something here. I written something here. Inside my string, I want to store one null character. If you stop me like this, right? If you stop me like this, you will go inside my string. You will verify null character is there. It is a none of your business. Your business is whatever string I have, lastly attach null character. Are you getting? Fine. Inside my string, somewhere I will keep null character. Inside I will keep somewhere null character because I need it. If you going inside my string and if you keep on verifying null character is there, I don't take like that. So it's not the case. Whatever I will give, please attach null character there. That is the meaning of this. So this is the way how it will store. Now come to the point. Now come to the point. Everyone understand this. Everyone understand what is happening. So this line is completed. Int I think int I is actually not required. Termination only, right? See this one. See everyone. Int I anywhere required? It is not required. It is actually not required. So this line is this. This is the first thing. Okay, fine. See the second line. This is not required. Okay. See the second line. Printf percentages a. Can anyone help me? What it will print? Can you help me? What it will print? Be careful. Array name means base address. Array name means base address. Printf percentages 1000. What it will print? 1000 onwards. Listen, 1000 onwards it is started printing until null character. 1000 onwards it is started printing until null character. Can you help me? First character itself is null character or not? 1000 onwards it started printing, but first character itself is null character. By seeing null, you will stop or not? By seeing null, you will stop or not? When you say printf percentage S, so A, printf percentages A, array means base address. From base address onwards, it is started printing. It is ready to print also. But first character itself is null character. First character itself is null character. It don't print anything. By seeing a null, it will stop. Remember everyone? See this one. It don't print anything. It don't print anything. Because, see this one, because first character itself null character. It don't print anything because the first character itself is null character. Now understand. Very interesting. Very interesting. But it read one character or not? But it read one character or not? It read the first character. It want to print also, but it is a null character. It will stop. It read one character or not? Bro, it don't print. Okay, what is the reason why it don't print? First character itself is null character. Means it read one character or not? It read one character. So remember, what the printf statement will do is, see this one, printf percentages a. What it will do is, how many characters it read successfully. How many character it is? Remember, printf is a function. Printf is a function. At the end, every function returns something. So this printf function will return lastly how many characters you read, not you printed. How many characters you read? One character you read. One character you read. See, it don't print anything. It don't print anything. It don't print anything. By seeing a null character, it don't print. But it read already one character. It already read one character. Please try to understand. It is already read one character. Can you help me? If one is true or false? If one is true or false? Hello? Hello? If true, it is a true, na? It read, I think, see, it read one character. It read one character. It read one character. So can you see this? Can you see this? Can you go to ChatGPT? What it is saying? It is written 0. See this. Yeah, how many characters is printed? I think so. Yeah, fine. So at the end, it written, right? It's how many characters it is printed. How many characters it is printed. Right? So if printf, this will return 0. So I think if 0 condition is fail, it will comes to here. It will comes to here. Right? So let me write that statement also. 1, it don't print anything because first character itself is null character. Second one, printf function returns. Print function return number of characters printed successfully. Print function return number of characters printed successfully. Printed. Right? Be careful. So it will return number of characters it is printed is 0. If 0, it's fail. So you will goes to here. So finally it will print string not empty. Careful. So take these notes. So the purpose of this problem is I want to say this point. It don't print anything because first character itself is null character. Second one, print function return number of characters printed successfully. Right? Here maybe. So you will, right? You may forget. Be careful this. Last character, null character. Every time no need to take the null character. When you see null character, you are stopping. When you see null character, you are stopping printing also. You are stopping counting also. Print function return number of characters printed successfully. Right? Yes. Now, for example, can you see this? For example, can you see this one? Example, can you see this? Printf x is equal to printf percentage s a b c d e. So what is the answer? Printf x. Can you see this one? Printf x. I'm saying printf x. Then what happened is because of this already you printed a b c d e. Because of this printf already a b c d e printed. But lastly there is a null character in the memory. How it will store? A b c d e null character in the memory. It will store like this. Whatever you have, it will attach null character. So because of first printf, this will be printed. Because of second printf, how many characters it's printed successfully? 5. Because of second printf. It is the first printf story. It is second printf story. Okay. Otherwise, see, every time one null character will be extra will come. So please be careful. And you can verify also. See, the advantage with the C programming is you can run within fraction of second. You will get to know if anything, right? The reason why I run is that purpose only. The reason why I run that program is that purpose only, right? Fine. Can we move to next? 0 to 31 character in ASCII is not right printable characters. All written 0 if we use them, maybe. So are you okay with this problem? Don't talk more. Don't talk more. Just see only this point. Just see only this point. See, the reason why I run the program is I have doubt it is a number of characters or it is a null character. Because I done this one. So I think maybe 4 months back, something like that. Just a small number I forgotten. That is the reason I executed. Because of he said execute, that is the reason I didn't execute it. Because I have doubt, is it number of character or right including null character? That is the reason I executed. Little doubt also there, please run it. Little doubt also there, please run it. That is the purpose of this entire story. Why I executed is I have little doubt. So I executed. You also, whenever doubt is there, please take one small program. This is the advantage with the programming. Advantage with the programming is you can check because so many languages, they will be right some intersection. Sometimes intersection is pi. In that some language something will say, some other language something will say. That is the reason small, right? Small ambiguity will come. Whenever little doubt, just run one program. See, it is taken to me maximum, I think, 5 minutes. There is no point of thinking for something which can be done in 5 minutes, thinking almost 1 day, almost 1 week, almost 1 month. There is no meaning in that. I have little doubt. Is the number of characters printed or including null character? Little doubt. Just execute with the help of one program. Still doubt is there. Take one more program and do. Right? Fine. So these are the points. See, you don't print anything because of first character itself is null character. That's the first thing. Next one, print function return number of characters printed successfully. Next one, string not empty. Right? So output is string not empty. I have doubt, I executed. If you have doubt at any point of time, you also execute. You also execute. That is the purpose of this entire story. Example 17 I done. Example 17 I done. Right? Yeah. Now come to the next one. Come to the next one. So if you read this also same thing saying little still doubt is there. Still doubt is there. See, printf returns printed character count. I have doubt. That is the reason I run it. Empty string prints 0 character. See, whenever it is empty string, 0 characters printed. If 0 means fail for if. You know this entire story, you know very well. You know entire, right? If you don't believe that, right? ChatGPT, go for some compiler, online compiler, you go and you can run it. Online compiler, you can go and you can run it. You will get the same story. So many online compilers are there. You can use so many. So this is the one online compiler. Just clarify if any doubt there. Clarify if any doubt there. If you forget and right, clarify. So let's see where is the wrong. Int main. It's not required, but anyhow, only for namesake I am running. See this, it is saying some error message. Invalid syntax. Where is the invalid syntax? Else. I selected as a Python language. Let me select as a C language. This bro left C language or what? This bro's left C language or what? Now it's perfect. See, string not empty. Okay? String not empty. Fine. Can we move to next? Little doubt there, please run. Any compiler you use, online compiler, anything you use. Any doubt there, don't keep in brain. If you have any doubt, don't keep in brain. Just run, it will take 2 minutes. Fine, can I move? Can I move to the next? You try, Ankit, you keep on try. You keep on try because it is a class. I cannot do trials. It is a class. I cannot do trials, right? You people can try whatever manner you want, you try. Otherwise, I cannot complete some good problems. Some nice problems I cannot complete. You people try all possibilities. All possibilities you try. Right? Can we go? Yeah, whatever you feel, you people can try. I can keep on try. One problem only, I can try entire class. I can try one problem only by inserting so many things. But we may not do nice problems. Can I move to next? The reason why I executed is I have little doubt. I executed. If I don't have doubt, I don't execute at all. But if you people are having doubt, you also execute. Can I move to the next problem? Same way scanf also. Whenever scanf, right? Whenever you say scanf, right? You are keep on giving characters one by one. How many characters successfully it read? How many characters? Scanf means what? Giving input from the, right? Giving input from the user side. User is giving characters one by one. How many characters it read successfully? So for that also similar kind of problem you write, you please verify one time. Right? You please verify one time. Thanks. Now come here. One more small problem. Let's check. One more small problem. This is a very easy. Let's see. It's a very easy problem. Do this. Next example. Example number 17 over. Go to the 18. Example 18. Main. In the entire class, all the classes, wherever you have doubt, please run it. Please run it. It is my suggestion to all the people. You have little doubt, you can ask in the group, you can try. Little doubt also there, please run it. Int a of 6. Some numbers I have to give. I'm giving here 100, 77, 55, 24, 30, 67. Some numbers. Next one. Be careful about this. Be careful about this. Printf percentage d f of a comma 6. End of the main. So let's go to f function. F function, I'm going here. Yeah, I think here I think I can manage. Can I manage or not? Let me check here. Yeah. Otherwise what I will do is I will manage at the there are so many slides also there. I will manage. So let me complete this one. So 2026 toppers are these. I wish you will also be there. You will also be there in the next year toppers. I strongly wish your photos will be there. The reason why I am showing this, it will inspire you so that you will also be there in this list. These are the 2026 toppers. Right, next. So if you like EPT classes, you can refer to your friends, you can get the cash back. And one more thing is right, C programming is live is going on, that's fine. So those people who will join, so you will get the 40% discount. These are the different types of courses, combo courses, right? Combo courses means you will get all, but however you can join whatever you want. But remember, there is every weekend there is a mentorship session. Today's session, don't miss it. If you are lagging, we are going to inform you. Right, this is the today's mentorship session. So I request everyone, please come to the mentorship session. Please make sure, right, what is your status. And as soon as any subject is over, please go to in the EPT website. Verified questions are there for that subject. 300 questions. Our target is 300 good questions we want to keep in the verified questions. Please go and solve it. PYQs also there. AIR1 handwritten also, notes also there. Pre-doubt solving also there. Please go and join and please utilize it. These are our previous rankers. These are our placement people. Yeah, DSA Super 50 batch is going on. Right, so that is that coding is done in the Python language, because nowadays trending language is Python, right? So you people can join all the 50 interview questions of different 10 plus patterns, right? 50 questions will be covered in the DSA Super 50 batch. Right, now come here. I will write here because lack of space. I have to rewrite again. I'm writing int main. So example, I think 17. Now go here, main int a of 6 is equal to some numbers I'm changing. It's going to be 100, it's going to be 77, it's going to be 50, it's going to be 24. You people also can change because I changed a little bit. It's a 130, it is a 67 now. So let's make it as 88. Okay, afterwards f of a comma 6 called. So here printf should be there, because finally we are printing. Printf percentage d f of a comma 6. Okay, until now everything is perfect. Right, now let's go to f function. Into f of int star a comma int n, and if n less than or equal to 0, return 0. Else, if this is a some trickiness, some trickiness is there in this problem, please take care. Return star a plus f of a plus 1 n minus 1. Else, return star a minus f of a plus 1 n minus 1. End of the f function. Now I will clarify in the f function what is happening. I will clarify. This is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one, this is the third one. Remember, if the first one true, I don't go to second one. Right, if the second one true, I don't go to third one. Careful. If the first one true, I don't go to second one because there is a return. If the second one true, I don't go to third one because there is a return. Right, so out of 1, 2, 3, only one will execute. Can you go ahead? Can we go ahead this problem? And one more, if anyone say it is not clear, see this one. Whatever this also same. Whatever is this also same. But here minus there, here plus there. That is the difference. Can you go ahead? Can you go ahead? Everyone try. It is a problem number 17. It's a problem number 17. 17 or 16? I'm so worried about this number. I'm so worried about this number. Let me check once. 18. Sorry for this. 18. Ah, 18. Try this. Example 18. It's a tricky problem. You may do small mistake somewhere. That is the reason I given this. Small mistake somewhere will happen. Right? So second statement written, third statement written same, but second statement written contain plus, third statement written contain minus. That is the only difference, because something not visible I am saying. Can you finish this problem? Finish it. Everyone try. Everyone try. I request everyone try. Maybe. Yeah, you people, everyone try this. Please try, just I am trying something else. You people try. You people try your opinion. Whatever you are thinking, you please go ahead. Right. Now come to here. Everything is all right. So I will execute this problem. Please see everyone. Please see everyone one time. Right. So let's execute this very logical problem. Let's see this. Everyone listen. Everyone listen. Everyone listen. I'm executing this. Can I go ahead? Someone is saying 315 minus 315. Someone is saying minus 115. Check one. It will take 2 or 3 minutes. We can move ahead. Right. So let's see this. Everyone understand? Everyone understand this? So this is the array. Careful. This is the array. This is the array. Array name is A. It is 1000, 1002, 1004, 1006, 1008, 1010. These are the indexes. Think about only this problem. Think about only this problem. This is 1000. 6 there. So it will go here. It will go here. Now let me run the problem. F of, careful everyone. A, which is 1000. N, which is 6. Be careful everyone. In this, out of these 3 statements, one statement only will execute. Right? 1, 2, 3, 1 only will execute. N value 6. Someone is saying 243. Someone is saying minus 115. Someone is saying minus 315. Something seriously going on. Something seriously going on. Let's check one time. So A is 1000. So N is 6. So 1, 2, 3. 3 lines are there. So N value first one. First condition. N value 6. 6 less than or equal to 0. Fail. 2. See, this is the very small mistake. I know very well many people will do wrong. That is the reason I given this problem. Can you see this? Can you see this one? A is 1000. Okay. First condition fail. A is 1000. See, remember everyone. A purpose star also fighting. Modulo operator also fighting. Star also modulo. Remember, modulo operator having highest priority. Sorry, star having highest priority. See the priority list. See the priority list. A 1000. Star and modulo operator both are fighting. Star is the highest priority. So star 1000. The value inside 1000. What is the answer? 100. It became 100. 100. Listen everyone now. 100 modulo 2. If you divide 100 by 2, remainder is 0. Right? Fine. See this one. 0 is equal to 0. True. 0 is equal to 0. True. So finally this is true. This is true. True means 1. If one condition true. So second statement is true. Second is true. Star 1000 is 100. 100 modulo 2, remainder is 0. Modulo means what? Not division. Remainder. Remainder is 0. Remainder 0. So 0 is equal to 0. True. True means 1. If 1, true. So second statement true. I no need to execute third one. What is the second one? Return. Careful everyone. Return star A. Return star A. Right? Plus. Remember everyone. To this A purpose. Right? Star also fighting. Plus also fighting. Winner is star A. Winner is star A. So you done the star A. So what is the star A value? What is the star A value? And one more thing is try to understand. You done the star A operation, which became how much? 100. Star A you done 100. 100 plus. 100 plus. You done already this operation. You got 100 plus. Now recursion is called f of a plus 1 and n minus 1. So it became 1002. right? It became 1002. But understand one thing, here A is a variable. Listen, understand, here A is a array, here A is a variable. Don't confuse. Here A is a array, base address cannot change, but here A is a pointer variable. He will keep on vary, but he cannot vary. It's a base address, but he will keep on vary. Some, you may say that inside here, how can you store 1002? But in this function, in the f function, A is a variable you can change, right? So you are changing similar way. So same story go. Same story goes. See the first line. N value is now -1. Na? N value now -1. It became previously 6. It became 5. First condition fail. See the second condition. Be careful. Be careful. Second condition. Be careful. Second condition. A value now 1002. Star 1002. Star 1002. 77. 77 if you divide by 2, remainder is 1. 1 is equal to 0. Fail. If 0 fail, go to the third statement. Second fail. Second fail. Now I am going to third one. Are very simple, yaar. Very simple. Even number. Second statement will execute. Odd number. Third statement will execute. Even number. Second statement. Odd number. Third statement. Just checking. Are you really okay or not? So what is the answer? I think a third statement. What is the answer? Minus. Same thing. Minus. So star. Right. Star A. Star A. What is the answer? 77. Minus f of say. Where A became 1004, N became 4. Same story go. First fail. Second, is it even number? Let's go star 1004, it is an even number. Second statement will execute. So what is the answer? 50 plus f of A comma N. It became 1006, it became 3. Go there. So once again, star 1006, who is that? 24, even number. So second statement will execute. 24 plus f of A comma N, where A becomes 1008, N became 2. So go inside. Go inside. So star 1008, how much? Star 1008, how much? 130. It is an even number. Even number means, I think, second statement. 130 plus f of, right? A comma N. So A became 1010. N became 1. So termination condition is 0. N less than or equal to 0. See this one. N less than or equal to 0. You have to go for one more round. You have to go for one more round. So let's go there. Let's go there. Can you say star 1010, 88? It is also even number. Plus f of A comma N. A became 1010, sorry, 1012, N became 0. Right? Now see this. Now see this. See, first statement itself true. It returns 0. It returns 0. Now come back. Now come back. Do calculations properly. You are returning 0. This is 0. 88 plus 0, 88. So 88 plus 130, how much? 88 plus 130, how much? So just add the 70, it became 200. Remaining is 18, right? 218. So this is 218. 130 plus 88. Just add the 70, it became 200, right? 200 plus remaining is 18. So 218. 24 plus 218. So how much? 24, 224, right? 232, 242. It became 242. 242 plus 50, 292. It is a 292. 292, 77 minus 292. How much? Do properly calculations. So how much now? 77 if you remove, how much it is finally? 77 minus 292. How much? Calculate properly. 15. 215. 215 is 77. Yeah, so I think it's going to be 215. Add 215 here. It's going to be 315. So output of this program is 315. Let me know if anywhere wrong. If I done anything wrong, please let me know. But it is a minus, na? Sorry for this. It's a minus, right? It's a minus. Be careful, it is a minus. So 100 minus 215. So how much it is? Yeah. So remove the 100. Minus 115. Minus 115. Do calculations properly. Nothing there. Do calculations properly. Calculator also there in the examination. Calculator also there. You can use calculator. Calculator also there. You can use calculator. Fine. Answer for this problem is minus 115. At anywhere, if you feel something wrong I done, please let me know. Sir, have you changed the value? I have written different. Maybe that's that. I said also. That time I said also. 177.50. So I done some change. While writing itself, I said, it's okay. It's okay. Are you done same procedure? That is enough. Procedure is same. That is more than enough. Procedure is same. That is more than enough. Can you go further? Procedure is same. It's more than enough. Answer is minus 115. Answer is minus 115. See logic. Here people will do mistake. See, right place, even place, they will go to third place. Odd place, they will go to second place. They will do ulta. Be careful. If you do ulta, one of the option will match. I know very well at the second statement, third statement, some people done wrong. That is the reason I given. Initial days when I am doing this problem, first time I also having same issue. I thought I have issue, people also having issue. See, every problem, whatever I given, every problem, whatever I written on the board, the problems which I have issue, when I'm doing first time, those problems are having issue with me. I am also having issue with them. I thought I have, definitely students also have. Let me give those. Those things which may create trouble. Those things which may create trouble, let's give, so that they will learn something. There are so many problems where you are comfortable, I am also comfortable. There is some problem I am not comfortable. I thought I am not comfortable means mostly students also not comfortable. Let's try those. That is the reason I given. I feel second statement, third statement, some people are done mistake. Please rectify. And the most important thing is do calculations properly. Don't go for shortcuts. Don't go for shortcuts. Doing in the everything in the air. If you do everything in the air, small mistake will happen. After exam, you will feel 2 marks I lost because of your negligence. You feel so painful. 2 marks you lost. 2 marks you lost. You feel 2 marks I lost, right? Unnecessarily. So please careful. We are humans, we will do mistakes. Sometimes you will do, sometimes I will do, right? All humans are, right? Humans means there may be chance of small mistakes. We are human beings. Yeah, I think if you okay, we can move to the next one. Can we move? If you are okay, we can move to the next one. Can we move? Fine. Can we move? So from this problem, you people all learn, right? Any doubt there in the C programming? Any doubt there? Please do program. I also will do, you also do. From this problem, you learn it. Yeah, fine. Thank you. See you in the next class. Monday, we will see. Monday, we will see. Right? Monday, we will see. Almost pointers, we came to the ending. Maybe in my opinion, 3 or 4 classes are there for pointers. Major pointer story will come on the Monday. Major pointer story will come on the Monday. Until now, we done the small things. Small things we done until now. Major story of pointers will come from Monday. Let's go ahead means, yeah, can we end? Let's go ahead means, can we end? That is the meaning. Because common sense there, na? It is 8:30 already. It is 8:30 already. Common sense, right? Chalo. Thank you. Thanks everyone. Fine. Revise all. While coming Monday class, revise all.